Okay, for this next activity, we are going to do some rhythm building blocks. So you will need your rhythm sticks from your toolkit. Remember, if you don't have your toolkit, you can find any other found sounds, any two sticks like pencils or plastic pens, or even wooden or plastic spatulas from your kitchen could work if you have permission to use those. Grab your sticks, and we're going to make some rhythm patterns here. So I picked some of my favorite things about fall and put them together for our blocks. So let's check them out here. My turn, your turn. Click them on your sticks as you say them out loud. We're going to say them and play them at the same time. Try cold weather. Cold weather. What about trick or treating? Trick or treating. Here's a great thing about fall, the leaves. Leaves. Yeah, what's this at the end of leaves? That is a rest. You're right. So this one only has one sound for it. Leaves, then rest. Of course, lots of people like to decorate or carve out pumpkins. Pumpkins. And they do a lot of those because of Halloween. Halloween. All right, so we're going to drag these to make some patterns, and we're going to make patterns with 4 blocks to make it nice and even. Now, we could drag any 4 blocks. We've got 5 choices, so lots of options and lots of combinations. But we don't want just random patterns. We want them to be interesting patterns. So we're going to make a few rules here. First rule is can't be all the same. If we drag all the same to make our pattern, it's not really a pattern at all. It's just sort of an ostinato and gets kind of boring. Try this one. You play it while I point. Ready, go. Pumpkins, 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 pumpkins. Yeah, boring. So don't do all the same. But what about all different? Let's just drag 4 random ones down here and make it all different. Okay, it's not going to be horrible, but it also doesn't have anything repeating. So let's try it and see if it's really that interesting. Ready, play. Cold weather, trick or treating, Halloween, leaves. It's okay, but still not very interesting because it doesn't have any repetition in it. That's what makes things interesting in music. So, can't be all the same, can't be all different. Let's see if I can get rid of those 4. And we'll make a pattern that has some things repeating, but not everything. How about Halloween pumpkins? Halloween. Oops, I grabbed pumpkins. Halloween. That's the one I wanted. And leaves. There we go. Now we have Halloween twice. Let's try this one. Ready, go. Halloween pumpkins. Halloween leaves. Nice. I kind of like it. Okay, let's try one more to experiment here. How about, what if we can repeat something 3 times? Is that allowed? Well, is it all the same? No, because one will be different. Will they all be different? No, because one of them will happen 3 times. So let's try cold weather, cold weather, cold weather, leaves. Try that one. Ready, go. Cold weather, cold weather, cold weather, leaves. I kind of like it. Okay, but we have one more rule to add here. End with a good cadence sound. We want our patterns to have a good ending. So we need to check out these 5 blocks and figure out which ones will not make very good endings. Okay, so let's take a look at what we've got going on at the ending of all these blocks. Cold weather. Weather has got 2 sounds. Trick or treating. That's got 2 sounds. Treating. Leaves, that's interesting because it has a rest. That's different from all the rest. Pumpkins, kins is 1 sound, so just a quarter note. And Halloween, ween is 1 sound, so 1 quarter note. Let's experiment. Let's try cold weather at the end. And let's see if that actually makes a good ending or not. Let's fill in the rest here with just pumpkins. Okay, so this is not all the same. It's not all different, but we're going to try experimenting with cold weather at the end. You play it. Let's see if cold weather makes a good ending. Ready, go. Pumpkins, 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 cold weather. Something's fishy here. It sounded like it needed something more. So let's get rid of that. Let's try something else here. How about trick or treating? Try this one. Ready, go. Pumpkins, 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 trick or treating. Same thing. It sounds unfinished. Okay, let's get rid of trick-or-treating. Let's try Halloween at the end. This does not have two sounds. It has a quarter note. Let's see if that makes the difference. Ready, go. Pumpkins, 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 Halloween. Hey, there we go. We have a winner. So it looks like if it ends with one sound, it makes a good cadence or ending sound. But if it ends with two sounds, where the last sound is not on the beat, like treating or weather, that doesn't make a very good ending. What about leaves, though? Let's drag leaves down here. It has a rest. Do you think it'll still make a good ending? Look at the very last sound. Is it one or two? One. So I suspect this will make a great ending. Let's try it. Ready, go. Pumpkins, 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 leaves. Great pattern. Okay, let's make some patterns here. I'll drag some down, and we're going to end with a good cadence sound. So I marked those with a star here. Let's try Halloween, trick-or-treating, Halloween, pumpkins. You play it. Ready? Don't forget to say it while you play it. Sorry. Ready, go. Halloween, trick-or-treating, Halloween, pumpkins. Nice. Now, if you get the idea, this can be your turn to make a pattern of your very own. Experiment with what you like. Try it a few different times. If you don't like something, change it, but see if you can follow all the rules. Can't be all the same, can't be all different, and end with a good cadence sound, one of the ones that has a star.